Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner here at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Have I got a Torred Charger for you? No, seriously, that's the color, Torred. 2018 Dodge Charger GT all-wheel drive, 32,000 miles, 3.6 liter. Thing is really nice. Fully inspected, factory drivetrain warranty. It's got the houndstooth and black interior, big touchscreen, shifter paddles, remote start, all kinds of goodies. Got the nice wheels on it. It's got that carbon fiber gas caplet on there. I don't know how much faster that makes it, but I think it helps. Dual exhaust. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. This thing is super clean. Again, 32,000 miles, factory warranty on it, clear Carfax, oil's just been changed, the Michelins are deep. You're good to go. Come see this nice red Charger, all-wheel drive at the Torred Red Charger at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.